So, it's been a long time mga kapatsyam. So, tuloy tayo ngayon. Nagluluto kasi ako ng shrimp. Actually, sa sweet, I don't know what they call it, but I'm gonna put some this shrimp with butter. It is a butter. So, I already saute into the butter with onion. So, I will add some seasoning after. So, and that's it. It's easy, isn't it? So, like my channel says at the top, that's it. I will leave that for now. But as long as it's gonna be like a tasty, you got ingredients there, everything is there, so it's gonna be good. So anyway, this is just for family use only, or for food family. So yeah, and after that, I will put some this UFC banana ketchup. This is a big one. I will put some seasoning as well, like the ginisa mix. Wait, I have a lot of this. This one. Ginisa mix. Yan, okay? So far, so good. So, kailangan natin ng konti. Napalit itong lutuan ngayon kasi I thought maliliit itong shrimp na ito. So, it turns out medyo malalaki na pala. So, continue lang tayo. Ngayon, lagyan na natin ito. Banana ketchup. Sa UFC. Okay. I think that's it. Okay, one more drop. And I will add some of this Vietnamese seasoning. And that's it. There we go. And we need some over to that. So, hintay lang natin maluto yan. Tapos yan. That's it. Okay. Kinetchup ang shrimp. Kinetchup ang shrimp. So once again mga kapatsyam, ito yung kapatsyam na kinetchup ang shrimp. But it looks great. So takbo ba natin. So probably ignite na natin up to like 3 minutes. And that's it. And I want to say thank you once again. It's been a long time already. And the last time I do some pacham cooking. Thank you, Lord. And always give thanks to God. Thank you, Lord.